Hey, hi, hello everyone. In the today's session of MATLAB for everyone, we are going to see how to use the different output formats. I am Ganesh from Kekewab Institute of Engineering Education and Research, Nashik. Welcomes you in my video. So, in the today's session, we are going to see how to use the different form output formats. So how you would want to look your outputs. Depending upon that, what are the different output formats are available inside the MATLAB that we are going to see. In this videos, we'll have a hands-on session also on the MATLAB. So here you can see the first word is given as a format short. If I use this format short and if I type pi in the command window, it will display the 5 digit, fix the point 5 digit. After decimal, there are the 4 points, and before decimal, there is a 1 point. But suppose your value is 1000 divided by 3. In that case, it will display the some decimal, some digit before the decimal, but after decimal there are 4 points. Okay, so after the decimal there are 4 points. Okay, so this is for format short. Then next is the format short e. Suppose that your number is in a bigger size, so it will display that number in the bigger size, in that exponent format. Exponent E stands for 10 raised to. E stands for 10 raised to. Then we will see what is the format long. Format long, it will display the 15 digit for a double and 7 digit for a single. If your format is a double, so it will display the 15 digits. It will display the 14 digits after the decimal point, 14 digits after decimal point, and 1 or many points before the decimal. If you see the format long e, it is in form of exponents. That is, it will multiply with the e means 10 raised to something. Then format short g, it will give the fixed floating point based in the fixed or floating point. Okay, that point may be the floating or it may be fixed with the 5 digits. Okay, so it is having format short and format short g. Only the difference is it will give you the best fit. Format long G also give the best fit of the number hex. Format hex, it will display the hexadecimal equivalent of the given number. Okay, so hexadecimal numbers are from the 0 to 9 and alphabets from A to F, so it will display the hexadecimal number. Format rat, it will give the in terms of rational, so it is the format, it is the approximation of by the ratio of the small integer. Format bank, in banking process, you know that we have rupees dot paisa. Rupees may be here, and after decimal there are 2 points is used for paisa, similarly to the dollars and cents. So this is a dollar and this is the cents. So we require 2 points after the decimal in the banking format. So if you use the format bank, it will display the 2 digits after the decimal point. Okay, so these are the different formats which is used in the MATLAB. So now let us see how we can use this in the MATLAB. Okay, so let's have a sorry. Okay, so I want this format short. So let me first clear my screen. So for clear the screen, you can use the clear all. This is the command window of the MATLAB. Today I'm going to work on the command window itself. Okay, so then I'm typing the CLC. The screen is also clear. Now I will type the pi over here. So the pi, it is displayed. It is in which format? Now you can observe this is in the format short e. This is in the format of short e. How will you recognize? Because after decimal there are the 4 points and 1 point before this, and it is in exponent format. So e raised to 00 means 10 raised to 0 value is here. Okay, so I want to change this format. So just type the format short. I want to display this value in terms of format short, and again I will type the pi. So you can see that that value is now it is 3.1416. That is 5 fixed point representation is here. Okay, so suppose my value is the 20 by 3. So how it will display? It will display 6.6667. Suppose it is 200 by 3. Then it will display, see, whatever the results after decimal, there are always 4 points. If I type also say 1 by 50, okay, so it will again display the four decimal after the four digits after the decimal point. Okay, so that is the format short E. Then we will see what is the format short E. Okay, so in the format short, if I type the pi, it is giving 3.1416. Okay, so I'm typing this is 1000 into pi. So see that now you can observe here after multiplying of 1000 here, it is the e raised to 03, means 10 raised to 03, 3.1416 into 10 raised to 03. Then if I say it is the format long, okay, if I type the format long and I display the results of the pi, you can observe that there are the 14 decimal points, 14 digits after the decimal point and one digit before this. Okay, similarly, I type the 2000 divided by 3. You have observed that it is, okay, so sorry, 200 divided by 3. You will observe that this value is in terms of these points. Now, I will change this format to long E. Okay, so format long E. If I started using the format long E and if I display this previous result 200 by 3, you can observe it is 6.6667 into e raised to 1, that is 10 raised to 1, that is 66.66667. Okay, so if you want to display the many digits after the decimal point, you can do through this. Okay, so similarly here, e raised to minus 4 means 10 raised to minus 4. 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 means 0.0002 is the result. Okay, then after that we will use the what is the format short G. Okay, in this format short G, if I display the same result of pi, okay, so same result of pi, it will give you the similar to the format short. But if I display the result of 1 divided by 5000, so you can observe this is again in terms of short. But if I increase one more zero here, so that result is changed to the format short E. That result is changed to the format short E. So it will give you the best fit when you are using the format short G. Similar is for format long E. Okay, so in terms of format long E also, you will get the similar type of result. So see, 2 into 1 divided by 50,000. Okay, it will give this result. And if I display only the pi, it will give you this value. Okay, so again, it will give you the best fit out of that. Then if I type the number format hex, okay, so if I type the format X and I want to display this format X, so I will type here 50. Okay, so if I type the 15 enter, so it will display its hexadecimal equivalent. If I type the 48 over here, it will display the hexadecimal number of that. Okay, sorry, this I think this is not the hexadecimal number of that. Okay, so we'll display the pi. So you can look, this is the value of the pi in the hexadecimal numbering systems. Suppose I want the hexadecimal number system of 15. So if I type the 15, so it will display this equivalent hexadecimal number. Then you will look to the format rat. Okay. So if I type the pi, it will display that answer of the in the rational mode. So that is 355 divided by 1.33. If I type zero point 0.5, it will display the result of 1.2. If I type the 0.33333, then it will display 1 by 3. Okay, so that is 1 by 3 is 0.333. So it will adjust it in the rational mode. If I use the format bank, if I use the format bank, then and if I type the value of pi, then it will give you 3.14, that is rupees and paisa, or dollar and cents. Okay, so it will display the two digits after the decimal point. Suppose I type the 20 by 3, it will display the 6.67. So by this way we can make we can decide our form out what in what format our output is required. If you require more precise output, you can go for format long. If you want the correct values up to 4 decimal places, then you can go for format short. If you want only 2 digits accuracy, then you can go for format bank. It is depending upon you how what output you require out of that. Okay, so don't forget to change the format to the again short Okay, format short. Otherwise, your always the result will be displaying the bank format, which is the last use. Okay, so you use the format short again, and you can see. Okay, so most of the time the format short or format short E is used. Okay, so hope you have understood this video and you like this video. Kindly subscribe my channel and enjoy the videos on the MATLAB in upcoming days. Thank you. Thank you.